Lesson 1. A sole proprietorship. A business may be privately owned in three different forms. These forms are the sole proprietorship, the partnership, and the corporation. The sole proprietorship is the most common in many Western countries. For example, more than 80% of all businesses in the United States are sole proprietorships. But it is evident that sole proprietorships do not do the greatest volume of business. They count for only 16% of all business receipts, for example in America. What kind of business is likely to be sole proprietorship? First of all, service industries such as laundromats, beauty shops, different repair shops, restaurants. Active vocabulary to the text. Активный словарь к тексту. Business – дело, предприятие. To own – владеть, обладать. Sole proprietorship – частная собственность. Partnership – партнерство. Corporation – корпорация. Volume – объем, количество. Receipt – денежные поступления. Service industry – сфера обслуживания. To account for – объяснять, отчитываться. Repair shop – ремонтная мастерская. Answer the following questions. Comprehension questions. What are three different ways that a business can be privately owned? What forms do most European countries have? What forms do the businesses in Russia have? Name some businesses that are likely to be sole proprietorships. Why do you think so? Name some businesses that are not likely to be sole proprietorships. Why do you think so? Vocabulary practice. Словарная практика. Лексические упражнения. Exercise 1. Choose the necessary word and put it in the sentence. Выберите необходимое слово и подставьте его в предложение. The words are the following: receipts, business, service, privately, account for, corporations, forms. Now the sentences. Choose one of these words and put it into the sentence. The first one. Small are very often service industries. The second. The industries don't produce material goods. The third. More than 80% of all business are not from sole proprietorships. The fourth, less than 20% of European businesses are partnerships or the fifth, sole proprietorships. Only a small part of all business receipts. The sixth, is this bank owned publicly or and the last one, there are three of business ownership. And now the dialogue between two friends, Jim and Alice. Hi, Alice. How are you getting on? Fine, as usual, thanks, Jim. What about you? I'm okay. It's nice to see you. You too. I'm glad you are not in a hurry and we have time to talk today. Sure. Can you give me a piece of advice? Well, I'll try if I can. You know, I've been always good at cooking. It interests me. I'm thinking of starting my own business, a cafe. It might be a good idea. I guess I must learn about the responsibilities of going into business. Are you going into this business by yourself? Exactly. I'd like to have a cafe with my name on it where I make the decision and where I control the profits. You seem to be resolute, so I'll try to help you. If you go into business alone, it is called sole proprietorship. In such case, you needn't consult a lawyer to form the business. You can start or you can stop your business whenever you like. It sounds encouraging. What else can you tell me? There is no need to consult partners or a board of directors. So, you can put your policies into effect quickly. You decide on your vacation, hours, salary, hiring, and firing. Well, that's not bad. Wait a moment. I believe I have to tell you about the risk involved. What do you mean? First of all, the most important risk is that you have unlimited liability. It means that you are responsible for all your business debts. So, if the business fails, I have to declare personal bankruptcy, don't I? That's what I mean. You can lose your personal assets. Well, it's rather disappointing. What other things should I know? You won't get tax benefits which partnerships or corporations can get. I know about it. By the way, do you know of a good accountant to do my taxes? Of course. You'll also have to hire A good bookkeeper if you can't do your books yourself. I can't say anything definite about that. I have to think it over. What else, Jim? Well, I'm a bit hungry. Why don't we have a snack together and discuss the things in the cafe? You are right as usual. Let's go. Active vocabulary to this dialogue. Piece of advice. Совет. Can you give me a piece of advice? Не могли бы вы дать мне совет? I'm thinking of starting my own business. Я думаю о том, чтобы начать свое дело. Responsibility. Ответственность. To make decisions. Принимать решения. To control the profits. Контролировать прибыль. Sole proprietorship. Частная собственность. To need a lawyer. Нуждаться в юристе. It sounds encouraging. Это вдохновляет. Это звучит вдохновляюще. To consult partners. Консультироваться с партнерами. Board of Directors. Совет директоров. To put policies into effect quickly. Быстро достичь хороших результатов. To hire. Нанимать. To fire. Увольнять. To decide on vacation, hours, salary, hiring and firing. Решать вопросы, связанные с отпуском, продолжительностью рабочего дня, зарплатой, наймом, увольнением. To have unlimited liability. Иметь неограниченную юридическую ответственность. To be responsible for all business debts. Нести ответственность за производственные долги. To fail. Терпеть неудачу. To declare personal bankruptcy. Объявлять личное банкротство. Personal assets. Личная собственность. Tax benefits. Льготы по налогообложению. To get tax benefits. Получить льготы по налогообложению. Accountant. Бухгалтер-счетовод. Bookkeeper. Бухгалтер-счетовод. To do books. Вести бухгалтерский учет. Vocabulary exercises. Exercise 1. Transform the sentences according to the model. Произведите преобразование в предложениях. Преобразуйте предложения в соответствии с представленной моделью. Model. I'm thinking of starting my own business. Open a cafe. I'm thinking of opening a cafe. Sentence 1. Start a car repair shop. Sentence 2. Hire a bookkeeper. Sentence 3. Fire an employee. Sentence 4. Consult a board of directors. Sentence 5. Sell my business. Sentence 6. Do my books myself. Sentence 7. Consult a lawyer. Sentence 8. Find a specialist. Exercise 2. Transform the sentences according to the model. Проделайте преобразование в предложениях в соответствии с моделью. Model. A bookkeeper will do the books. I am going to have a bookkeeper do the books. Sentence 1. A partner will finance the business. Sentence 2. A salesperson will sell the clothes. Sentence 3. A decorator will design the interior. Sentence 4. A lawyer will do this work. Sentence 5. A secretary will mail the letters. Sentence 6. A colleague will give me a piece of advice. Sentence 7. A bookkeeper will prepare the tax report. A bookkeeper will prepare the tax report. Exercise 3. Answer the questions. Ответьте на вопросы. The questions are the following. The first one. Are you thinking of starting your own business? The next one. What business do you want to start? The third question. How do we call the business if you go into it alone? The next question. Who is going to make the decisions and control the profits in your business? The fifth question. Do you need a lawyer if you want to start a sole proprietorship? The sixth one. Why don't you have to consult the partners in a sole proprietorship? The seventh question. How many employees are you going to hire for your business? In what cases will you fire them? The eighth question. What does it mean to have unlimited liability? Are you ready for it? The ninth question. What will you do if your business fails? The 10th question. What will you do to put policies into effect quickly? The 11th question. What businesses have tax benefits in this country? The 12th question. Can you do your books yourself? And the last question. Are you going to hire a bookkeeper? Exercise 4. Translate into English. Переведите на английский. Следующее предложение. Первое. Мне нужен совет. Второе. Я сам контролирую прибыль своего предприятия. Третье предложение. Если вы хотите заняться частным предпринимательством, обратитесь к юристу. Четвертое предложение. Директор решает вопросы, связанные с наймом и увольнением. Пятое. Я боюсь иметь полную юридическую ответственность. Шестое. Я не отвечаю за производственные долги. Седьмое. Малые предприятия имеют льготы по налогообложению. Восьмое. Хороший бухгалтер сможет вести дело лучше, чем вы. Девятое. Мне нужно нанять бухгалтера. Десятое. Мне нужно проконсультироваться с юристом. Exercise 5. Make up the dialogue. Составьте диалог. You are going to start your own business. Вы собираетесь начать свой собственный бизнес. Ask a lawyer or an experienced person how to do it. Спросите юриста или опытного человека, как это сделать. Grammar exercises. Exercise 1. Make the sentences negative. The first sentence. I want to start my own business. The second sentence. You need a lawyer in this case. Третье предложение. Sole proprietorship brings much profit. Четвертое предложение. Sole proprietorship get tax benefits from the government. Exercise 2. Put up 4 questions of different types: general, special, disjunctive, alternative to each sentence. Поставьте по 4 вопроса разных типов: общий, специальный, разделительный, альтернативный каждому предложению. Model. The partners are responsible for business debts. The first question will be: Are the partners responsible for business debts? The second question. Why are the partners responsible for business debts? The third question. Are the partners responsible for the business debts or fulfillment of the arrangement? The fourth. The partners are responsible for business debts, aren't they? Первый вопрос был общий, второй вопрос был специальный, третий вопрос был разделительный, четвертый вопрос альтернативный. Первый вопрос был общий, второй вопрос был специальный, третий вопрос был альтернативный, четвертый вопрос разделительный. Now the sentences. I want to go into business with my friend. You can lose personal assets. It is difficult to get tax benefits from the state. I do my books myself. We both have unlimited liability. The next one. The board of directors decides on vacation, salary, hiring and firing. The last one. The partners want to consult the board of directors. The end of lesson 1.